Hi, this is David with Tulsa Landscape. Today we're talking about container gardening. That's accessorizing your garden using containers. We use annuals, perennials, we even use tomatoes and herbs to do that. So let's get about planting a container. First thing we need to do is decide our design. We could do a single plant and have a bold design like this caladium here, or we could do a combination of several plants where we'd want to get a thriller, a spiller, and a filler. The way we do that is we'll come in and we'll add a very prominent center bold plant in here. Then we'd come back and add the spillers to it. And the spillers just fall over the edge here, and we're using this money wort to do that. Then we can accessorize and fill in, and we could use begonias, or we can add another spiller and filler, like the bleeding heart. So we can add other products to it. We can use a product that'll help hold moisture with this polymer and mix that in the soil, or we can add another product called a humectant, and that will actually draw atmospheric moisture into the plant every morning when the humidity is high, minimizing your watering. The best time to plant is really the late spring or early summer when things have warmed up. However, you can continue to plant containers throughout the whole season. The best thing for you to do is get on tulsahba.com. There you can find many landscape professionals that can help answer your questions.